Welcome to myprojectbuzzer.com. Process of modeling annotated with application to social annotation words. So in these words, we have to extract the probabilistic topics and analyze the extracting of the content related terms and as well as the annotated district of the social bookmark service. So we have to take that topics by the related to the XML format. So then we have to do the implicit and the partially explicit relevance settings to preprocessing of the using the district value. So we're going to preprocess the data by use of parsing and as well as the POS tagging. So after the extraction of the content related annotation, it can be making of the machine learning of the text classification. So in the text classification, it will be based upon the counts of multiple terms in the documents of the word count, and we use the multinomial distribution to find out the relevance probability of the content. So then the topic is related to that terms is the annotation word is related and unrelated. So this is the process of the to taking the annotation words. Let's see the flow of the process. So now the input document is based upon the article collection. Article collection means there will be a review type and their topics. So after that we go in the input, it's going to be a data pre-processing like during the process of POS tagging and the document frequency identification. So in the POS tagging we have to remove the noun words and adjective words as adjective words to the extract to the document extraction to find out the frequencies. So after that we have to pre-process the document of the topic prediction as well as the annotation prediction. In topic prediction it will be probability of count of the word. In the annotation word it prediction the annotation probability is both the classification of related to the content related document. So in the content related document we have to give this as GIF sampling is based upon the positive and negative values of the frequencies. We have to find the multinomial distribution of as well as the lastly is to predict the value of the relevant document to that annotation words and as well as keyword terms. Let's see the execution of the process. So first give the right click on the home form and run the process. So this is the welcome screen of the modeling annotated data. So click this command and the next frame. Let's see the execution of the process. So right click the home on the Java and give run file. So this is the welcome screen of this process. Click this command button and take the data set to load the data set from the data. So it's in so click the data sets. So this is the data of the file is loaded. So the data will be in the XML format. So in XML format we have to go into the processing the data of the annotated data and the title and the review of that topic. So like that the data set will be loaded. So after that the data set will be loaded and the pausing the data sets by removing the tags. So click the extract. So now click the POS tagging. So after that POS tagging, the file will be tagged by the verbal, adjectives, non-verbal. So like that it will be split into the terms of the topics as well as the content. So click next. So after that the probability we have to find the extraction of the probability value. So click the word extraction. So this is the word extraction between the every topics and every file. So click the word count. So it will be count the process of the every file by the repeated terms. So click the probability. So this is the probability value of the each and every terms. So click the relevance probability. So this is the relevance probability is find based upon the lambda value. So for each and every words we taken the relevance probability after the document value. So the document value is there. We have to give us the input as the number of documents as a 4 document. So there will be overall document value is filtered. So after that we have to go into find the annotation word. So annotation word is taken upon the keyword terms. So this is the keyword terms of the file of the every topics. So for each and every topic we have to count the probability value. So after this probability value we have to take the distilled terms. So the distilled terms is find out with the LDA concept. So you click the distilled value. So we have find out the each and every that gamma value and the document value, and as well as the word of the each topics. So it's based upon that we have calculate the distilled value of each and every document and the content value of the annotation words. So then after that click the topic. So now take the topic extraction, and after that topic count as well as the topic probability value. In this probability value we have to find out the multinomial distribution equation of the solvation. So this is the multinomial distribution. So we're going to find out the related words and the content unrelated word terms. So for that we have to going to find out the multinomial distribution. So same like we have to count the terms of each every documents of the content. So for that probability value and the multinomial values. So click the relevance is based upon the topic extraction and topic count and the topic probability. So is find out about the Bernoulli values. And the annotation we have to go into find out the related terms and unrelated terms. So these are the related terms is based upon the topics, and unrelated terms is based upon the topics, and the words is means is related to the topic of the content is related to that, and unrelated terms or annotation unrelated terms are splitted here. So finally we have to performance of the measure here. So this is the precision of the related terms, and the recall is the unrelated terms, and overall batches is we cover the redundancy of the terms. Thank you.